90, 60, 90.
Dobrý. Čau, děcka. Tak já jsem tady teďka proto, že vlastně my jsme jako hodně slavní. Hlavně já. A o nás se hodně píše, hlavně kritici. Čehož si jako fakt vážím, ne? Je to prostě pro mě hodně důležitý. Akorát, že mě malinko mrzí, že oni ty kluci kritický se fakt málo baví, ne? Protože oni znají opravdovskýho, americkýho stojáka a píšou, že my ho teda jako neumíme. A vlastně, tak já jsem dneska bych jim chtěla udělat strašnou jako radost, vlastně takovej dárek k Vánocům, že vlastně udělám opravdovský americký stand-up comedy show. So I went to New York because I was working as a model, you know, all the catwalks and stuff. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go down to the streets because I got like some free time and stuff. I gotta take off for a few minutes. So I was walking down the streets, you know, and suddenly I saw a fucking big board. And there was written like, red zone. And I was like, damn, that should be great. It's like red zone. So probably all the houses are gonna be red, or all the people are red, or whatever. So I went in there, you know, and I was walking down the street, and suddenly I got this strange feeling, like, because, you know, every person who was like passing me was black. And I was like, wow, something's wrong, man. Okay, so I was walking further and deeper, like Madonna sings, deeper and deeper, and you know that song. So I was walking through, and then I was like, man, I gotta ask somebody. And there was like a man walking in front of me, and he was like with dreads and all really, really black. He was really black. I thought he like really did take a few tanning beds. Well, never mind. And I asked him, hello, sir. Excuse me, I think probably something's wrong because this is supposed to be a red zone and actually all of you are black. And he answered me like, what the fuck are you doing here? You white trash. Get your little whitey tiny ass and get the fuck out of here before I kick you. So I really ran. I was a little scared, you know, you got me, you know what I mean. And so that was my experience in New York, and you know, the sad thing is I was really disappointed because New York is lying to you, all the boards are fakes. Takže asi tak. Já jsem strašně šťastná. Já jenom... Je úplně perfektní, že asi 5 z vás se zasmálo. Že jako tato opravdovská stand-up americká comedy show opravdu funguje. Takže doufám, že se to klukům kritickým líbilo. A vy buďte blond.